everyone, welcome back. So we have a Panasonic, and basically I'm bringing this to you, nothing special here, but Matthew and I were at the Goodwill. He likes to go through all their books and stuff, and of course I go through and see what they have on vacuums. This was sitting there. I was just messing with it. In a way, it wasn't like my top of the line, pick, but it didn't have a price on it, and I just said, hey, how much? And he's like, if you want it, $10, and I took it. $10, you know what I mean? So actually $10.99, so $11. But here it is. It is your Panasonic. It says on the front, Power Wave. Light and easy, powerful cleaning, HEPA filtration, 6-stage filtration, easy bare floor cleaning by Panasonic. 12 amps, 14-inch dual edge cleaning. You got your button here that you can turn off the brush roll. This is geared, as is most of them are. But let me read what it says on the back. Panasonic, model number MCV5760, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12 amps. Da-da-da-da-da-da. That's basically it. For household use only, which we all get that. And of course on the back here is your release valve. But let's look underneath and see what we have. So, we have your typical 4 wheels, which are plastic, but in excellent condition. Your plastic base plate. Now, this brush roll, very, very stiff bristles here. Stiff bristles. Well, you get probably good agitation, but the bristles being so stiff, I would say it might kind of, mess up your carpet a bit. Anyways, this is a belt-driven machine. It doesn't look like it's been used very much. It's supposed to have a headlight. I see a light bulb in there, but we'll see if that works. I did have this running at the Goodwill store. I don't remember if the light worked or not. You got your on-off switch here, which is a rocker switch. Let's see. I know it had a bag in it. You can see it's kind of very dirty in there. It does have a bag in here, which is not attached. We'll have to see about that. Very, very dirty in here. I guess because that wasn't attached or something, but it's clear somebody ran it either with the bag not attached or not attached correctly, or no bag or something. But if you want to take a look, you can see all the crap in there. So I wonder if this does fit this at all. Style U. And it said on the back here, at least I thought it did, bag type U. Okay, well, this says bag type U, so maybe they didn't have it on all the way, because it really doesn't even, yeah, that doesn't even fit on there at all. You know what? Give me a second. Let me go see if I can find a bag that will fit this better. Now these are the HEPA bags for my Kenmore, but I'm kind of wondering if I remove this top tag that this would fit this better. Absolutely perfect. So what I'm going to do is let me get another vacuum, and at least this has the rubber gasket on it to where this has nothing. So there is no seal, and this has the rubber gasket. And this will be definitely better filtration than this paper bag. So let me get another vacuum and clean up some of this mess, which over here, this is my Ricard, which I've been using lately. And I will plug this sucker in. And clean out this thing. There we go. Now that is much better. Much, much better. Thank you, Mr. Ricard. I appreciate your help in today's work. And we'll put you aside for a second and get Mr. Panasonic ready to roll. Okay, so let's put this back in. It'll breathe a little better. There we go. We'll put the better bag in. I think I'm going to just take this off. Much better. There we go. Ha! Goodbye, paper bag. There we go. So we're making headway. So on the back here, we do have the dusting brush, which has seen some days, I would say. And we also have, of course, the one wand. And we do have a wand on here. So you can put the two together and have a good reach, which is nice. They're plastic. You have your hose, which is the stretchy. Now I have no idea where this is supposed to hook. Oh, it looks like it was supposed to hook there. Yep. So I guess, it doesn't, you can go and clean without it pulling up here. If it pulls here, you're just going to knock it over. If it clips down here, at least when you pull it, it's probably going to follow you a little bit, but not fall over. And that hooks there. Okay, so you have to have that on there. That has to be there. And this, oops, will go there. So there, it looks like there used to be a clip here for a crevice tool or something. But at least they have the brush. Not bad. Quick release for the cord. Now, very stiff cord. Obviously not very long, but in good condition. As you can see here is the release valve. So basically, if something gets clogged or the bag is full so that it still has airflow, that'll pop open. So I wonder if this comes off. It does, okay. Of course, it does not want to come off very easy. There we go. So the gasket is in good condition. So at least that comes off to unclog or to clean, or let's just say something happens with the hose. You can at least replace the hose. That's good. And you got your cord holder up here. There we go. And like I said, here's your on-off switch, rocker, your release pedal. You don't have to adjust the head, it's self-adjusting. But as you can see, you cannot lay it flat as far as it goes. Now, let's see if we can plug it in, and it still works. There you go. Let's give it a whirl on the carpet. Not bad at all. Headlight works. Well, there must be something dirty in that bag, because I remember when I turned it on at the store, it had a funky smell. Anyway, I am going to plug this in behind me. We are going to give this thing a test run. There's a lot of debris on our carpet in the living room today because our doggies got a toy and have shredded it everywheres. As I call it, puppy clouds, all that white stuffing. But of course, I'm going to add to it. Okay, so getting stuff out of the way, I make a mess. I'm going to put you on the floor after I put this mess on the floor. Of course, we have your typical white rice. That's your crunchy. Everybody likes the sound of crunchies in your vacuum. And then something a little softer is I have Irish oatmeal, which is a smaller granule. Now, I've been doing a test for the past year I've been putting rice in my vacuum cleaner bags. And I found it does very, very good job on keeping the moisture down inside your vacuum, which has also been helping with odors. Let me put you down on the floor. Okay, here we go. as you can see and hear, the agitation from that brush roll is very good. As I said, those bristles are very stiff, and it did a very good job. But what I was noticing, it was pulling the rice in from the sides, and it did bring back. So back here, there is a small pile of rice that was behind the brush roll that it was pulling back. But hey, all in all, good job. Let's continue. there you go. All in all, it did an okay job. Let's check this bag. Oh, it filled the cavity very well. Definitely. All right, we're going to keep that in there. There we go. So that's definitely an improvement instead of that paper bag. Headlight works. Agitation was great. As you could see, you know, it did a very good job on the agitation of the carpet. However, I guess because of the stiff brushes, because the suction on here is very good. Airflow seems to be okay. There's nothing holding back. But it was picking up a lot, but I did have to go over, you know, a couple of times because it just didn't pick it up on the first pass or two. As you can see, I had to keep going over. But it groomed the carpet very well. It did pick up everything. So as a basic upright by Panasonic, well, the name on here is Panasonic anyway. And it does have, you know, someone rubbed up against the wall, but this is just paint that will come off with a cleaning. So I guess I could just clean it up a little bit, spruce it up, make it happy, make it shine. We can do that. But it is what it is, your typical upright vacuum. No bells and whistles. But anyways, whatever your thoughts about this vacuum, if you put them down in the comment section below, if you have questions, comments, ideas, or suggestions, feel free to put them down below. Whoops, I didn't even unplug it, so I'm doing kind of a no-no, pulling the cord. But anyway, there we go. Let's get this wrapped up. This is a very stiff cord. There we go. And clip. Not bad for $11. What can you ask for? So I will clean it up. I didn't even show you this. I am sorry. Let me show you. So let me plug her back in. So this switch here on the side, this will turn the brush roll on and off so that you can go from carpet to hard floor and back. And you know, I didn't even demo that, and I guess I should. But anyways, if you turn it on, brush roll, which does work. This one has the opening here, which is where the suction side is not very wide. So as I put my hand there, you can feel a lot of the suction right here, but diminishes way over here. On some of the side suction, it's more channeled to where this one is not. So that would also explain why this particular model really was having a hard time picking up some of the rice and oatmeal, because most of your airflow and suction is on the right side of this vacuum. But like I was saying, on some of the other vacuums, they have it channeled so that, and they also have the brush roll to where it would move the dirt over. Hold on, let me get this. There we go. Whoops, pop it back off. There we go. Let me look at this again. So yes, with this particular brush roll, it does move the dirt over to the right, but it's going to have to keep moving and moving and moving to get it over here. And the way this is just direct right here and not channeled, so it does have a harder time getting the dirt over. Anyway, this is supposed to be down. There we go. Pop that back in. Good. So in all, it's a great vacuum. Is it top of the line? No. Is it just your everyday vacuum for quick pickups? Yes. You can do baseboards, you can get up high, you can do whatever you want to do. But again, no bells and whistles here. Huh? Anyway, thanks for coming along. I greatly appreciate all of you. Again, any comments, questions, concerns, ideas, whatever, put them down below and I will answer them, okay? I hope you're having a great day and I'll be talking to you soon.